today I will share with you that investing in physical gold or financial gold. So, first of all, what is gold investment? So, there are some precious metal, but gold is placed in high regard as an investment due to some influencing factors such as high liquidity and inflation beating capacity. Gold is one of the most preferred investment in India. Gold investment can be done in many forms like buying jewelry, coins, bars, gold exchange, traded fund, gold fund, sovereign gold bond schemes, etc. So, investment in physical gold. So basically, physical gold can be bought in the form of coins, bars, and the coins come in different sizes: 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, etc. This has been the traditional way of buying accumulating gold in India. Physical gold can be bought in the form of jewelry, ornaments, bars, coins, etc. So, advantage to invest in physical gold are: the advantage is that the gold is in the hand of investor. Benefits of holding physical golds, like it is a tangible asset. Additionally, this gold can be used for personal consumption. In the last 5 years, gold has given 24 annualized return in very long term periods. Gold almost always beats inflation. Investing in financial gold. So, what are the financial goals? There are different ways where you can invest your money in different financial gold, like gold mutual fund, and then basically I just explain you gold ETFs. So gold ETFs are the non-physical form of gold investment. Gold ETFs basically ETFs has the full form is exchange traded fund are listed. Gold ETFs are listed scheme that invest in underlying gold bullion. They are listed and traded on major stock exchange. Gold ETFs are held in electronic form where 1 unit is equal to 1 gram of gold. Advantage of investing in financial gold are: in gold ETFs, the purity of gold is constant since each unit is backed by the price of pure gold. There is no risk to purity, and gold ETFs are cost efficient. There is no premium like making charges attached to it, and one can buy at the international rate without any makeup. Physical gold. This has been the traditional way of buying gold in India. Physical gold can be bought in the form of jewelry, ornaments, bars, coins, etc. Physical gold versus gold ETFs returns. The return charge in physical gold is calculated as return equals to current price of gold minus buying price plus making charges of an ornament. In gold ETFs, the return is calculated as current price of gold unit trading on the stock exchange minus brokerage charges plus buying price. What is Demat account? Basically, gold ETF requires a Demat holding, whereas physical gold doesn't require a Demat holding. Wealth tax. 1% wealth tax is applicable in the value of physical gold posed by an individual is more than INR 30 lakhs, whereas in gold ETFs, wealth tax is not applicable. So, what to know about investing in gold? So, there are 6 ways and 6 things you should know about investing in gold. And there are 10 tips for buying a gold. So that's all about where you can invest in physical gold or a financial gold. So between these differences you can find out where you want to invest your money.